my name is Nikki Sizemore of From Scratch Fast, and I'm excited to introduce you to the Ninja Foodi Dual Heat Air Fry Oven. Ninja's first countertop air fry oven that sears, crisps, and flips up and away. Plus, it's built with dual heat technology, making it perfect for searing and roasting at the same time. This innovative oven comes with 3 accessories. The SearPlate is used for all roasting, baking, and pizza functions. It's thicker and heavier than a traditional Ninja sheet pan, so it's able to retain and deliver exceptional results at home. Now you can get added caramelization on roasted veggies and a perfect sear on proteins in a countertop oven. The wire rack is used for toasting, or you can use your own baking dishes on it. Use the air fry basket for all your guilt-free air fried favorites. This accessory can also be used to dehydrate meats and fruits. There's also a crumb tray, which will come installed in your unit. Before your first use, Ninja recommends hand washing all of the accessories and running a cook cycle with the air fry function on 450 degrees for 30 minutes. This will remove any packaging residue and odor traces. When you're ready to get cooking, you'll see that there are 2 modes on the display: dual heat mode and air oven mode. When your oven is in dual heat mode, it offers 5 different cooking functions. Sear Crisp, which is perfect for searing and roasting thick-cut proteins and hearty vegetables. Rapid Bake, which is best for frozen foods and baked goods like homemade chocolate chip cookies. Griddle function is perfect for making quesadillas, grilled cheeses, or even French toast. And the Fresh and Frozen Pizza function allows you to create delicious pizzas at home. In dual heat mode, all of the functions use dual heat technology to deliver restaurant-worthy results in less time. Before cooking with any of these dual heat functions, it's important to preheat the SearPlate alone. Make sure that all of the other accessories are removed, place the SearPlate in the oven, select your desired cooking temperature and time, and keep the SearPlate in the unit until the preheating is complete. Then add your food. It's crucial that you preheat the SearPlate before cooking. If not, you may see over or under cooking. Something I love about this oven is that it was designed with a hook inside the cavity, which stops and stabilizes the SearPlate in the oven rails. This allows you to feel confident loading and unloading your food in the oven. The second mode is air oven mode. The functions under air oven mode are your traditional countertop oven functions: air fry, air roast, bake, broil, toast, bagel, reheat, and dehydrate. In air oven mode, the SearPlate can be used as a sheet pan and does not need to be preheated before cooking. Just add your favorite foods to the SearPlate and place it into the bottom rails of the oven. In air oven mode, use the air fry basket in the top level of your oven for the best results. Slide the wire rack into the middle level for toasting bread and bagels. If you want to use your own accessories, slide the wire rack onto the bottom rails. Because dual heat technology allows the oven to get super hot, it's recommended to use oven mitts that are rated to 500 degrees or higher. Thanks to the Ninja Foodi Dual Heat Air Fry Oven, cooking my favorite foods is now a breeze. If you're looking for more information, tips, and tricks, visit ninjatestkitchen.com and join the official Ninja Foodi family community on Facebook.